everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer. Today I'm going to be working on our June 2023 Club Couture transfer, summertime. But before I get started, I'm going to tell you about a special we have this month. If you spend $75 US or 75 Canadian dollars, and that's before taxes and shipping, and you will have a chance to get for free a V-size transfer. You might as well shine. You also will get this exclusive tote. It is a Kickstart kit. Oh, excuse me. This exclusive tote. And you will get black velvet Chalkology ink and Shimmer gold Chalkology ink. And this comes in a kit. Creative Kickstart kit. And you can earn that for free just by spending $75. And I'm going to get started on our monthly transfer. If you don't know what Club Couture is, it is our monthly subscription. It is $21.99 a month, US $27.99 a month Canadian. If you're a club member, you get a exclusive V-size transfer. It's good. It's designers and club members can get it only. You cannot order this unless you're a club member. You can get it, and it comes with customers get 3 paste packs. Designers just get the transfer. The 3 paste packs that will come with this one is Shimmer Harvest, Guava, and Tide. You will get, I guess, there's also special perks as you will get flat rate shipping on your first order of the month. So if you're interested in becoming a club member and getting this transfer, you have to get it by June 30th. You have to sign up. Also for our Kickstart kit that I just showed you, it is only till June 30th. So this month only. So here I'm going to get started on our transfer. there is my project. This is a club one, so if you sign up for Club Couture, you'll be able to get this one, but it is till the end of June. Same with the Kickstart kit. If you place an order by the end of June, you'll be able to get that as long as supplies last. And I want to thank everyone watching my video. And all my links and details are below. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment below and to thank you and comment below. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you again for watching.